Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've finished this book. I finished this book journal thing. I'm about to have another drink of water because I never think to do this before I start. Has got a few mistakes. I made a serious one. I had a doily in there, and when I went to sew it in, the doily was tipped sideways, so I had to take it out. I had to pull it out of there. Anyway, I'm going to have to say that this is not in the book. In the top of it, look at that, there's a gap here. I've taken it too far down that way, but not actually too far because it's not coming through the bottom. It's just exactly right, look. But we do have extra parts here on the top. So if anybody does want to purchase it, that's going to have to, you'll have to know that that's not right, okay? Now I've got, I've made one of my beads. I think I did that. I hope I did. I don't think anybody else did. I think it belongs to my doing. Yeah. And I put these little dangly bits on that, and I've hung that on there. Just have to clip that with the pliers when I go out of here, when I find the pliers. So this is my Thumbelina journal. I have only put one signature in it. A little bit on an angle there because this is my first time I did that. I put rope, looks like rope. It's a good solid piece of string, yeah. And you know what? I made those two mistakes, but it seemed to be quite easy. I mean, I did not think that this thing that I've got here would go through all them pages, and it did. Made a big hole. When I say thing, it's a really old one that I've had for a long time. Somebody crafted this, I'd say. Well, I would imagine they did. And I bought it at a garage sale. The end of it was a little bit beat about, but it still worked really good. I bought myself another one on the internet, but it hasn't arrived yet, so it only cost me $1 something, so I think I might not have needed one because I got that one. Now, I'm going to bring in the camera a bit so you can see this. For those of you that haven't seen it, and I've got a bit of battery, so I better move along. Okay, so the first page, I've got a little book in there that you can journal in, and that is made out of fabric. A washi down there, and there's lace up here. Here's a pocket, and you can journal on the back of there. I tried to leave as many journaling spaces as I could. And this part here you would have seen the other day, and that one's got a little bit of a pad in there which you can write on. Now this is the back of the thing that pops up, okay, how she pops up out of there, because I was really worried that that was going to break. I don't think I've wrecked it too much by putting that piece of paper up there. I just didn't want it to break, okay, and I will be putting some finishing off around that bit. I haven't done that, so I'm going to have to put a little piece of paper or something in there to remind myself I need to do that, okay. Now over here is a lot of places for journaling. Have a crease down there, that's a nice bit of texture. I have a mouse on there and the mole in the head on the tag. And I've got a little piece of the sari silk there and some washi tape across the top. This thing here is a pocket and it's an envelope, and I've left that so you can actually see there's an envelope, but I've also made it so you can put your picture down in there or something. I did not want to, I'll leave that tag in there because I haven't got anything for it ready to go yet. This one here's got a tag in there, a post you can write on, and some little flowers, and I've stuck a bit of a story down the bottom here about how there's that coming up out there. I see you go through it and go through it, you know, you can still find bits and pieces here and there that haven't quite, you know, got in their place yet. That's going to stick down or not? Stick down. Okay, now this one here is a envelope and it's got a bug in there. There's my next page for journaling on, and another page for journaling on, and that's got Thumbelina written on there. And it's got a piece of oh no, that's not sari silk, No, neither of these are. And there's the swallow that saved her. And here is one of the secret pockets that I did. And a tuck spot here. You can put something under that. Over there we've got another page. There's lots of room for journaling. There's a little book here that you can open, and it's got a little mouse on it, the little mouse that she went to live with for a while, and a butterfly as a tag thing. Okay, so now I've just stuck that on there. Now it's got stuck to there. That's not working for me. I should have put something in there. Only good thing about this glue is that you can get it off, so that's good. See, this was on a doily, hey, but I had to take it off because it didn't work. I put in sideways. I'm going to put that piece of plastic sticker on that mouse, and I'll come back and take that stuff off him. And here's a Fairy King on that tag, and there is a pin, paper clip with a little fairy on it, and the frogs, the two toads. The mum toad wanted the Thumbelina to marry her son. She didn't like the look of him. Okay, and here's another little book for journaling in. Okay, and over there, there's got this one here's got nothing on it. That's a place you can put your bits and pieces. You know, you can put your pictures and have a story. Write yourself a story. I had to leave some in here, but I did put a lot of stuff in it. So then there's me tag. There's a little Thumbelina in on a paper clip. She's in a nut shell as she slept. Sorry. In here I've got a couple of there's a fairy tag, and there's a piece of paper for writing on, and I just put some distress ink on that one, and this is in a cellophane bag, and it really covers all the page, that bag, so there's plenty of room to put other stuff in there as well. And there's another place here for doing journaling on, and we've got a piece of sari silk and a piece of washi tape and bits and pieces. Now here's the centre, and there's my wild big piece of string, but I put two little daisies. They cut there on either side of that because I wanted to do that. Everybody does that, well, most people do anyway. And this I think is a little bit dark. I don't know, I might have made that a little bit too dark, but it's all right. It says handmade with love, so that's on that page. So on this page I've got a butterfly and a upside down tuck spot, which I don't think I've stuck down enough or something. Let me see. Oh yeah, it'll hold something. You sort of, that's for just, that's a piece of beautiful fabric that's just sitting there for, and this is a tuck spot here, which you can put something down in that as well. And then I've got a dangle on here, with a nice piece of beautiful button, a piece of washi tape. Over here I put another piece of tulip washi tape because it goes with that. There's a little lady, and there's some journaling spot. And I put a band across here. I might have showed you that the other day, and I've just left this like an envelope so people can see that it is once you have a peep inside. And I've put that bit there, that little inchy. I've done this bottom part here with flowers and, oh dear, I'm a bit rough here, aren't I? This piece here, I still want to put something on that piece, and I don't know. I'm going to put a little thing in there because I need to put something on this piece. This book was really well loved. I mean, you know, it had lots of little marks and that on it, but some of them are still on there. But I tried to, I just stressed it didn't look too bad. And there's another tuck spot there behind Thumbelina waving to her bird over here. I think you've seen it another day. And here's another secret pocket down in there. You put your bits, it's actually a fairly big pocket so that you can put stuff down in that. And there's another pocket in here. There's lots of place for storage, and I have noticed that I didn't put as much stuff in the back of the book as what I did in the front, so therefore you'll be able to put more things in, okay? Now there's the swallow, and he's got a couple of his mates, and there's a little bag and a, what's the name? Tuck spot there. That side, you can put something in that. But I did leave space for you to put your things in, I think. Okay, I don't know if I made this too. There's bits coming off there of that, where I pulled the serviette out. Yeah, because I had to take it out because I put it in sideways. There's an envelope in here, and it's been made out of the paper, a sheet of paper out of the book. Thumbelina on it. And there's just a picture of her and her king, fairy thingy, whatever he was called. Okay, and look, I've left the back. Why do that? Except for this one, of course. So you can put your own things, and there's a pocket on the back too for you to have that for your own self as well. And the piece of lace I've got is pushing through. It's okay though, nobody panic. It's fine. I think that it's going to outlast. It's done pretty solid. It's pretty solid. So anyway, so if anybody would like to purchase this, I was going to put it on my Etsy, but I haven't opened my Etsy yet. So if you want to go to Facebook and message me, if you're on Facebook, if not, well, just send me a message on here and I'll let you know how much it costs to go to your country, wherever you are. Me picking bits off it, but I will make sure it hasn't got bits there. There we go. It is a funny looking bloke, isn't he? Look at him. I finished it. I've actually finished it. It has got, I think it's got 50 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, and then you got the other side, so that makes 50 something. There's lots of work in there. I don't think I'll make another one that big. I'm too impatient to get them done. I don't think I'll make another one that big. I know that, you know what my thing is, though, I cover nearly every page. A lot of ladies put a lot of just, you know, leave it pretty bare so you can work in it. But I've gone and worked in it for you. It's for somebody that hasn't got all the craft things to do it, and they would like a book. You know, they'd like a book. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching, and watching me travel through with this Thumbelina book. So tomorrow is Monday, and I don't know what I'm doing till Monday, so I don't know when I'll be back, but I hope it's not too far away. My husband and I were going to go out shopping together, which we don't do as a rule. We're just going to go and buy. He was going to get some clothes. I don't know what I was going to get. He told me I could buy some nighties. I don't need any new nighties, so I don't know what I'm going to buy, really. There's probably something I need. Some bottles of water, because I do drink a bit of water. Anyway, so if I'm not here tomorrow, I'll be back Wednesday, because I think I've got to go out Tuesday. Oh, I don't know. I'm so sorry for being so undecisive, but it's really hard if you do make a plan sometimes to get back to it. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later, and you all have a good day, okay? Stay warm if you're cold, stay cool if you're warm, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.